everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some super chic decorative eggs using my Surebonder glue gun and some beautiful molds from Redesign with Prima. These are going to be amazing for your Easter decor. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some beautiful Easter eggs. The practice of decorating eggs is quite ancient. Some of the oldest decorated and engraved ostrich eggs were found in Africa and are 60,000 years old. Hot glue is flexible, so it molds perfectly around the eggs. And if you need to, you can warm up your molded pieces with a hairdryer if your hot glue dries extremely hard. Two coats of Americana acrylic in the color of your choice should be enough to cover the eggs perfectly. And when I'm done with my eggs, I'm going to spray them with a matte acrylic lacquer. Instead of a sponge like I'm using here, you can also dry brush the molded pieces to bring out the details. I'm going to leave a link to Surebonder and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link to those below as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.